2017 Honda CBR1000 Fireblade SP. Nice condition, 10,000 odd miles. Good history, it's been well looked after. Upside down forks, Brembo calipers, OHLINS suspension front and rear. Got crash bungs on as well. Nice Brembo brake cylinder on there. Nice exhaust, sounds good. All the consumables are good. Tyres are good. Discs and that are fine. Discs and brakes are fine. Got a tail tidy already on. We do have the seat hump for it as well. Comes with a quick shift, traction control, engine braking, rider modes, cornering ABS. Really good looking bike, rides as good as it looks. TFT dash, so it's done 10,287 miles. There you have it, 2017 Honda CBR1000 Fireblade SP. You're welcome to come and view the bike at our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. We can take a part exchange on this bike, so if you want to part exchange your old bike, by all means bring that along with you and we'll have a look and price it for you. Or you can give us a call and give us the details. If you do need finance, delivery or any further details, by all means give us a call and hopefully see you soon.